Let me begin by expressing my sincere appreciation and gratitude to the Muslim Student Society of Nigeria, ATBU branch, who have organized this lecture delivery. I would also like to appreciate the presence of important, high respected dignitaries, specifically mentioning the registrar of the university, the dean, students affairs, and other respected staff of the university, and most particularly the chairman of the occasion, who identifies himself as my classmate. Even if you are my classmate, you are an elder classmate. You used to sit in the front and I used to sit at the back, and you still remain in the front. I would also like to specially thank the poet, my brother. I am humbled by the words you have mentioned about me, and I pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala would make me better than what you expect me to be. Thank you, the attendants, the students of ATBU. My love for you will always continue to grow as you show your concern and demonstrate your acceptance of the deen of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, attending places of worship in the mosques, attending lessons of ta'aleem, and also practicing most of what you are being told